I found tranquility. It is within your home. I found tranquility. It is within your home. Help me out of chaos. I ask you, Lord of hope. Help me out of chaos. I ask you, Lord of hope. Let my eyes pour their tears as they cry for my sins. May the rest of my days be spent in repentance. At the very hour, the moment I'm redeemed, thinking of your love, Lord, I've fallen at your feet. እውነተኛ ሰላም ያለው ከቤት ነው። እውነተኛ ሰላም ያለው ከቤት ነው። እርዳኝ አልናወጥ እለምንሃለው። እርዳኝ አልናወጥ እለምንሃለው።